The 2025 BMW M3 stands as a bold evolution of one of the most iconic performance sedans in automotive history. Blending cutting-edge technology with legendary driving dynamics, the new model showcases how BMW continues to balance tradition with modern innovation. From its aggressive styling to the impressive engineering under the hood, this car has been designed to satisfy enthusiasts who crave speed, precision, and a premium driving experience. At first glance, the exterior immediately sets the tone. The signature kidney grills have been refined, now slimmer and more aggressive, framed by adaptive LED headlights that give the M3 an unmistakable presence on the road. Aerodynamics have been improved with sharper body lines, sculpted side skirts, and a redesigned rear diffuser that enhances both looks and performance. Lightweight materials such as carbon fiber are extensively used on the roof, mirror caps, and interior trims, ensuring the M3 not only looks sharp but performs with efficiency. New 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires further emphasize the car's athletic stance. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M3 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3-liter inline-six engine, now tuned to deliver up to 530 horsepower in the competition xDrive variant. This surge of power translates into blistering acceleration, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.2 seconds. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an 8-speed automatic for those who prioritize speed and seamless shifts. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, but it still offers the ability to switch to a rear-wheel drive mode, giving drivers full control of their driving style. Driving dynamics have always been at the core of the M3's DNA, and the 2025 model continues that tradition with upgraded adaptive suspension, precision-tuned steering, and improved chassis rigidity. The car feels planted during aggressive cornering, while still offering comfort for daily driving. BMW's engineering team has carefully crafted the suspension setup to provide the perfect balance between track-ready performance and city-friendly refinement. Enhanced braking systems with larger carbon ceramic rotors are available for those who push the car to its limits. Step inside and the cabin reveals a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The 2025 M3 comes equipped with BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, displayed on a curved 14.9-inch touchscreen integrated with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance features are standard, ensuring connectivity and safety. M-specific bucket seats with improved bolstering offer both comfort and support, upholstered in premium merino leather with contrast stitching. Ambient lighting, a Harman Kardon sound system, and carbon fiber accents further elevate the interior's sporty yet elegant vibe. Safety and technology also take a major step forward. The new M3 includes advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system. BMW's semi-autonomous driving technology provides convenience for long commutes, though the car remains very much driver-focused at its core. The 2025 BMW M3 embodies the spirit of performance while embracing the future of technology and design. It's a car that respects its heritage but pushes the envelope further, making it one of the most compelling sports sedans on the market. For enthusiasts, it remains not just a car, but a statement of passion and precision.